Imagine a world where you could send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly and without needing a bank. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. It's like digital cash, but instead of being printed by governments, it's created and secured by computers all over the world. Cryptocurrency gets its name from the cryptography used to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Don't let the technical terms scare you, though. The basic idea is pretty simple. It's like a digital ledger that keeps track of every transaction, and it's spread across countless computers, making it incredibly secure. Think of it like a digital gold rush, but instead of digging for gold, we're solving complex math problems to unlock new coins. This process is called mining, and it's how new cryptocurrency enters the market. But cryptocurrency is more than just a new form of money. It has the potential to revolutionize how we think about finance, giving us more control over our own money and opening up a world of new possibilities. The story of cryptocurrency begins in 2008 with the birth of Bitcoin. A mysterious figure or group of figures using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper outlining a revolutionary new digital currency. Bitcoin was designed to be decentralized, meaning it wouldn't be controlled by any government, bank, or financial institution. Transactions would be transparent and secure, recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. At the time, Bitcoin was a fringe idea, met with skepticism by many, but a small group of early adopters saw its potential. They began mining Bitcoin and using it to make small transactions. As more people joined the network, the value of Bitcoin began to rise. What was once worth just a few cents soon soared to hundreds, then thousands of dollars per coin. This sparked a global interest in cryptocurrency, paving the way for the thousands of different cryptocurrencies that exist today. The real magic of cryptocurrency lies in the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger that records every single transaction made with a particular cryptocurrency. This ledger is not stored in one central location, but is instead distributed across a network of computers around the world. When you make a transaction with cryptocurrency, it's broadcast to this network. Computers on the network, called miners, then compete to solve complex mathematical problems to verify the transaction. The first miner to solve the problem adds the transaction to a block on the blockchain. This block is then linked to the previous block, creating a permanent and tamper-proof record of every transaction ever made with that cryptocurrency. This decentralized and transparent system is what makes cryptocurrency so secure and resistant to fraud. It eliminates the need for traditional intermediaries like banks, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions. For centuries, banks have acted as gatekeepers to the financial system. They control our money, charge fees for transactions, and can even deny us access to our own funds. Cryptocurrency offers an alternative. Because it's decentralized, you don't need a bank to send or receive money. Transactions are typically much faster than traditional bank transfers, especially for international payments. And because the fees associated with cryptocurrency transactions are often much lower than bank fees, it can be a more affordable way to manage your money. This is particularly beneficial for people in developing countries who may not have access to traditional banking services. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and volatile market. Its value can fluctuate wildly, and it's not yet as widely accepted as traditional currencies. Cryptocurrency in action beyond digital dollars. While cryptocurrency is still in its early stages, it's already being used for a wide range of purposes. Of course, you can use it to buy and sell goods and services online and in some brick-and-mortar stores. But cryptocurrency is also being used to send money internationally. Transferring money across borders with cryptocurrency is often faster and cheaper than using traditional methods. Some startups are using cryptocurrency to raise capital through a process called an initial coin offering, or ICO. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, use blockchain technology to represent ownership of unique digital items like art, music, and collectibles. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for cryptocurrency emerge. The crypto conundrum: navigating risks and rewards. Like any investment, cryptocurrency comes with its own set of risks and rewards. On the one hand, the cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile. The price of Bitcoin, for example, has been known to swing by thousands of dollars in a single day. This volatility makes cryptocurrency a risky investment, and it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. On the other hand, this volatility also creates the potential for significant returns. Early investors in Bitcoin have seen their investments grow exponentially. However, it's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Security is another concern. While blockchain technology is incredibly secure, cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacking. It's important to choose reputable exchanges and to take steps to secure your digital assets. Gazing into the crypto crystal ball, what lies ahead? The future of cryptocurrency is uncertain, but one thing is for sure: it's here to stay. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrency, and central banks are even exploring the possibility of launching their own digital currencies. Some experts believe that cryptocurrency will eventually replace traditional fiat currency, while others believe it will coexist alongside it. Only time will tell what the future holds for this revolutionary technology. One thing is certain: the world of finance is changing, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of that change. It's an exciting time to be following the development of this technology, and it will be fascinating to see how it shapes the future of money. Embracing the future of finance. Your crypto journey begins. Cryptocurrency can be a complex and confusing topic, but hopefully this essay has given you a basic understanding of what it is and how it works. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the world of cryptocurrency, it's an exciting time to be involved in this rapidly evolving space. Remember to do your research, invest responsibly, and stay informed about the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency.